What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm really excited about today. Every little bit of an update that we have on BTD and different things that we can do with this position, I am going to be making a video and letting you guys know what's going on. Now, I know it always seems like it's overkill when somebody continues to push something, but this is my baby, right? I created it. I feel great about it. People do believe in it and where it's going to go, not only from the gains that you get from BTD, but also from burning off Shiba Inu. I feel like it's going to be a win-win in the long run. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. If you guys want to know how to buy BTD, then definitely check that out. But I do have a video coming out later today about, the fact that BTD is basically going to, it did over 10x, right? You're going to see in that video exactly my breakdown, but I just wanted to show you guys something really interesting, and we didn't have it for that video. So I do want to put that video out after, but I'm going to basically talk about what we do have now in the latest hour or so. Now, if we go into, Pancake Swap here, this is something we didn't have, was charting, right? On this position that I created by the dip coin to USD, we now have a way of charting this to see exactly where it went in the last 24 hours, where it was in the last week, where it was in the last month. Just understand that this has only been live for about 5 days, so it's not really something that you can get a ton of data on, but you are seeing the growth potential that it did have. In the last day, it's up 40%, it's up 20%, almost 40 cents, almost 41 cents. So this is crazy to be able to see that. Now I'm going to go through again. My video is going to explain a lot about this position and where my plans are and all that stuff. But I just wanted to put this out there. It's going to be a short video, something that I don't typically do. But you can see here that last 24 hours up 20%. The last week it's up 1,400%. So that video that I had is kind of old from where we are at now. But, you can definitely check that out and you can understand where we're coming from and how far this did end up growing. But it's crazy to be able to see that. It's absolutely crazy. I really don't know if I'm going to put this video out before or after that video, but maybe I'll do it after and then you'll be able to see the charting. I don't know. You'll see when it does come out. And maybe that video already came out, or maybe it's going to come out. I don't know at this point, but we'll figure it out in a couple of minutes. But you could see here from where it started at 16 cents, 16.5. The first time that I remembered, it was like 19, but we could see 16.5 and seeing that get all the way up to a high here, what it says of 292. But if we look at over the last 24 hours, we're looking at 325. So it did end up breaking that $3 mark, which is fantastic to be able to see that. So I just wanted to put that out there to let everybody know this is where BTD is, and you can see some charting now on Pancake Swap. It's been about 5 days, and that's why you have enough data. And eventually we'll get to the point to where we're on other platforms and all that stuff. But it's really freaking exciting. You can't tell me that this isn't exciting, knowing that someone created a cryptocurrency that's as transparent as I am, that's putting out all this information, that's not going to be that person that just pulls the rug out from under you. I'm a person of transparency and I will be here for you guys until the very end. So thank you guys for watching this video. I told you it was going to be short. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Again, if you want BTD down below, feel free to check out that link in the description. It does, help out the channel. It also helps out the position if you're in it and support it for the long term. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one.